Welcome to a new episode.
And make a grill.
Make a nice grill, and this is something that we may want to keep.
Yeah, this thing's way too sick.
It's way too cool.
We were originally thinking like a fountain or something, but then we just, I love it.
We had the bell housing at the bottom and the crank up top. We were like, well, it does squirt oil through there, but then we were like, wait a minute, brother, there's a grill over there, and it's the same diameter. He goes, no, it's too small to be a grill. Well, brother.
Fans, I'm Grill Master Salami here, so we're just gonna start spagutzing this to hold that flywheel in place. What you doing there, bud?
Cranking up the power, bud.
So what Grant's doing is he's using that random hub that we found. And what he's doing is he's welding it to the crankshaft. So we're using the bowl here, I guess the bell housing as a washer for a lay grill. Yeah, because you can't load aluminum, so. Listen there, buddy.
Oh, it's big booger season, bud.
Huge snot energy.
Because this is stainless steel there. And it's built, doesn't like it.
What are you taking off?
The bell housing jolt point, because it's locked. Oh yeah. Oh.
That is dope. It looks mint, dude.
Yeah, bud.
Do you, I don't know what else to do in this video. Hey fans, want to see the Corolla start?
Yeah.
Look, it's right there.
Do you want me to start it, little boy?
I think the fans want to hear it. At least, you gotta at least have something cool this video. Sick! They sound different. You got good oil pressure. All right, fans. Well, that is a quick little video. We are doing a little intermission right now because we have just got the Corolla running. We got to figure out the steering and stuff. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll have a new video for you next week. If you like this video, you get a kiss from Baby Grant or Trixie, your choice.